Hello and welcome to the emotional intelligence page. What is emotional intelligence? You may have heard that word before. Let me just put it down and define it for you. Emotional intelligence, it is simply two skills, awareness and management. And each skill is split into two levels, personal, meaning you, and social, others. And the first level is you, because everything starts with you first. And the first skill is awareness, awareness of yourself, awareness of your thoughts, your ability to perceive your own emotions. Management is your ability to manage and rationalize your own emotions and behaviors, meaning personal management. Moving on to the second level, well, is others, is social, meaning social awareness, perceive emotion in others, realize what they are doing or what they may not be doing, relate and respond rationally to the emotion and behaviors of others. That's social management. So what are the results and impact of emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is a skill and it can go and improve. This is to impact positively your mental health, your physical health, your performance and impact whether on your career or your personal goals, but also your relationship, your leadership, your influence. Because I'd like you to realize that everything starts with your mind and how you manage it. If you have questions, there's also a FAQ questions all about the course, the most question answered. And if you have more questions or you want to know more, well, you can schedule a free discovery call. Now it's all up to you to go and find out, to go and learn, and go and release your best.